Hi everyone, it is Mrs. Little, and we are the Little family. Sorry we've been off camera for about 3 to 8 months. You know, we moved and family occasions and all that good stuff, birthdays and all that. And they had a very long day yesterday, so they're all knocked out. So, we're going to wake them up. We invited someone over, and we're just going to have a fun and chill day for them. Since our past few weeks have been very busy. So let's wake everyone up. I'm told too. Harlan and Kira, you guys are up. It was cold when you pulled off the blanket. Mandy, wake up. Oh, it's okay, Mandy. Just sit. I have a surprise for you guys. Surprise! Oh my god, how are you 3 already up? We heard the word surprise. Maya, Zach, Eva, you guys always love the word surprise. Astrid, yeah, you awake? Yeah, I was awake since you said surprise. You too? Yeah, okay, Eva, Zoe, come on, Mom. Hug. Aw, little hug. I like to say hug when I do it. I know you do. And Pepper's already awake. I'm gonna go feed Pepper. Okay, Pepper, there's your food and water. Okay, guys, we're having someone over. Xander's coming over. He should be here any second. So we're just gonna wait. Oh, we also got this squishmallow. Ding dong! Xander, hi! I see you brought some Gatorade and some Cheetos. Cheetos! Bro, Zach calls them Cheetos. Hey, say Cheetos. Cheetos! Feed. Anyway, are you going to share? Cheetos! Guys, take in! Oh. Yummy! Was that good? Thank you, Xander! Thank you! Okay, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to, chill and stuff. I'm just going to go get a surprise for Maya and Kira. Sorry, everyone, but there's only 2, and they were only in Maya and Kira's size. What's that sound, Xander? Where is it? What is that? Guys, we found something outside. Can it fly or something? Oh my goodness. It's a bird inside. No! Oh my god. Is the bird okay? Mama, what's that? I was going to the garage to get you guys a surprise, and we find a hurt bird.
He's eating a
Mama!
Cheeto.
What, Mandy? I love animals. Ever since I was
He's eating a Cheeto.
Ever since I was 3, I always took care of animals. Go to 112 Animal Help Center. You can bring the animal, they'll examine it, and they have medicines and stuff for it. Okay, let's go. Let's take this hurt bird. It can't fly. I think both of its wings are bad. Aww. It talks. Hi, little guy. Oh, it's okay, sweetheart. Do you want to hold it? It must be hurt. Wait, it copied me. It must be a parrot or something. It copies you.
It just shook his head, no.
Let's take it to the 112 Animal Health Care. At 112 Animal Center. Okay, we're at the Animal Health Center. Whatever Mandy wanted to call it. Hello and welcome to Animal Health Center. Hi, we're here to get bird care for birds. Okay, where's your bird? We found this outside. Wait, where'd you find that outside, bro? Oh, wait, what is yours? It's a bird. It was hurt.
We can put him in this.
My nephew Xander, he found this thing. Oh yeah, that's where you're supposed to put it in, mister. Perfect. Okay. We'll call you to make sure to come pick it up. Is it your bird? No, it was her. Well, if you sign a paper, you can keep the bird. We'll think about it. Okay, we're gonna help it. In the meantime, this bird pack is $5. Perfect. We'll take it.
Hey, it's starting to fly.
I don't think it can yet, sweetheart. Let's go.
Just try to.
No, only one of his wings is broken, but he still can't fly well. He'll have to stay here for a little bit. Okay, thank you for this. You can have it for free. I don't mind. Thank you, mister. Come on, Xander.
It's just for free.
Oh, yeah, that's a free hat. Thank you for coming to Animal Care. Xander, where are you going? That's the sidewalk. Okay. Do you want to hold on to the Animal Care?
Yeah.
We're going to say a prayer for little birdie when we get home. And we're going to have a talk if we want to keep it.
I can put this in here. I can put the stuff in here.
Good idea. At my house. Okay, let's go.
Okay, that's okay.
Oh my God, guys, look, Mom's home. Hey, where's the birdie? The birdie had to stay at the hospital for a little bit.
Who ate all my
I'm
Cheetos?
gonna go get my new phone. Xander, watch over the littles, please. I need to go get my phone over here. Beep, boop, 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 beep. Hello. Hi, hi, bestie. Oh, hi. So, would you like your kids to come over and you to come over next weekend? I'd love to schedule that. Oh, yeah. I haven't seen you since college, girly. I know, it's been like 17 years. I'm just kidding, but that's what it feels like. Yeah, I know. It's only been like 4 years, though.
Yeah, I'm going to drink some of my
Anyway,
beer.
bye. I will come, and so will my kids. What are your kids' names again? Their names are Autumn and, not Amelia, but Amanda. Amanda and Autumn, nice names. Thanks. Bye now. Bye. I don't know how long it's been. She said 4. I said 17, but I think they're both wrong. I don't know. Mom, who's that? I think I was gonna schedule
I can read it from you.
my friend from college to come over with her two kids. So yeah. Stupid spam call. Just hang up. It's a spam call. So guys, we're gonna say a prayer for the birdie. So everyone say their own prayer. I'm gonna please help us hurt bird, Jesus. Amen. Amen. Okay.
Who wants more Cheetos?
Yay! An hour and a half later. Yummy Cheetos, yummy. Ring, ring, ring. Let me see what it is. Hey, it's the phone number to 112 Animal Health Care. Hello there. Hi, the bird is safe to pick up. Okay, thanks.
I'll go get it, guys.
By the way, make sure to apply all of this help stuff on him when he gets back. Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye-bye now. Oh my God, I can't break this phone too. I've already booked like 6 phones. I just have this recording tablet. And anyway, y'all, I'm gonna put a double lock on the
We got the bird.
Oh my God. Oh yeah, that's right. It's only like 20 minutes away, but you know, you find your shortcuts, don't you?
Yeah.
Ring.
I got it.
112 Healthcare. Hello there. We have been informed that someone took the bag with the bird. It was my nephew. Bye. I'll return it. Oh my God, Xander! I can't believe you did that. Anyway, guys, we're just gonna wait. 25 minutes later. Okay. Wow. This time it actually took you 25 minutes. Instead of just like 1. Okay, perfect. He said only apply a little bit to it. It's a Medicare. So tomorrow we're gonna apply more of this on him. Where's more of his health care? Okay, here he is. So he said to make sure it's on the sleepy bag and it will. Which wing was broken, Xander?
This one.
This one? Was it this one?
Yeah.
Okay. He also said to wipe down its medicine because it's gonna make the birdie wet. The birdie seems to like it. Okay, sweetheart, go to sleep. Guys, it's already getting a bit late. Xander, you can go and put
Hold
the
up.
littles.
I have to go get something for all of you.
Okay, I'm gonna send the littles.
Where are the littles?
I'm gonna get the littles to play with Xander. And Oh my god. Okay, the camera's playing itself, but not even like one bird. Okay, so the littles are just gonna get sent off to play with Xander, like in the garage because there's like play stuff in there, I believe. Really? Actually, no. That's your aunt's. That's your aunt's house.
I got some toys, guys.
Oh wow. So no, you guys aren't going to the
teddy
garage.
bear for all of them.
Wow.
Well, Spider-Man toys.
This purse looks fine. Like, it's talking enough.
You can play before me.
He said just to let it rest. So we're gonna let it rest.
For one day.
It's actually already 9 o'clock. So I don't think you guys can actually play. I thought you guys could because I thought,
Let me check.
something else.
Let me check the window. It's 9.
Thank you for the toys, Xander. This is a perfect area to put it. Anyway, guys, I don't think you guys can play. It's too late, so.
Xander didn't have a food thing, and I got it.
Xander, why'd you just save our food thing?
I got a new one.
Oh, thank you. How did you know it was broken? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh my god, wait. I did not even notice he was over there. I forgot. Anyway, guys.
It's the same color.
Can you put up all the toys, sweetheart? I'll help you.
It's okay. They're going to be, like, standing up here.
No, just put it with, right here.
I can set them up. I'm really good at setting up stuff.
So, guys, I'm going to put the littles to bed. They can't play. I thought they could, but they can't.
All of them were sleeping.
They're not sleeping yet, Xander. I put them to sleep. Okay, good night, Maya. Good night, Harlan. Mommy, would a bud be okay? Yes, the bud will be okay. Okay, let's get the rest to bed. Good night, Kira. Good night, Zach. Good night, Mandy. Good night, Eva. And good night, Astrid. Okay, and the blanket. Guys, the bird will be okay. I know it's been a chaotic day and everything was messed up today, but it's okay. Night, guys. The next day.
That's one day.
I left the light on last night.
I just did this for no reason.
Maybe
Just for one day. Guys, who wants to see the setup? He can still fly. He's flying. He's flying away.
Rain. It's the healthcare center.
He flew away.
Hello? Hi. I am the boss of this place. You guys are allowed to keep it. Just come to sign the
It's outside. I'll be right back.
it. And yeah, so how is it doing? It's doing good. Okay, just keep adding the med stuff on it and he'll be fine in a couple of days. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
He flew outside, so I got him back.
Okay, they said only for a few more days. He needs his Mendes, so put the Mendes on.
Mendes in Fortnite?
No.
Just Mendes.
And we're gonna wipe it off so it doesn't get on him very much. Because it's weird. Oh, he's so cute. I'm gonna go sign the certificate. Make sure to watch over them, okay?
Help the feet, the setup.
I'm gonna go sign the certificate. You stay here with the littles, okay? Okay. I'll see it when I get home, okay? At the hospital. Okay, guys, I'm at the animal hospital. For like med stuff and stuff. Hi, what's your name? I'm here to keep an animal. Its name, I haven't named it yet, but I'm just going to sign the certificate to keep it. You look oddly familiar. Anyway, I need the, okay, I'll just sign that one. Okay, thank you. The pen's right here. Thank you. Here you go. Thank you. You are now allowed to keep the bird. Thanks. Bye. Bye now. The boss is nice. Let's go home. At home. Okay, we're finally at home. And I can wake everyone up and say the bird is ours. Everyone, wake up. Mom, I heard some crashing over there. Oh my God, Zoe. Must still be sleeping. I don't know, bye. Xander, look. It's flying. Hooray, sweet little bird. And it can stand on its own too. Finally better. And we can wake up all the kids to tell it's ours. Wake up, everyone.
No, it's not.
Mom, the bird is ours.
Oh my gosh.
Hooray!